Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Roblox. While the official Fortnite game isn't directly on Roblox, the platform offers many incredible experiences inspired by it. We'll show you how to find these exciting, Fortnite-like games, understand their core gameplay, and give you excellent tips to succeed. Get ready to explore a vibrant world of building, shooting, and last-player standing action, all within the creative Roblox universe. It's an easy guide to finding your next favorite game and becoming a champion. Finding these Fortnite-inspired games on Roblox is quite simple. First, head to the Roblox game search bar. You can type in keywords like Battle Royale, Fortnite, Shooter, or even Building Game. Look for titles with high player counts and positive reviews, as these often indicate quality experiences. Always check the game's description to ensure it matches what you're looking for. There are hundreds of options, so take your time to explore and find the perfect match for your playstyle. Happy hunting! Once you've found a game, understanding the mechanics is key. Most Roblox Battle Royales feature elements familiar to Fortnite players, such as building structures for defense or high ground and collecting various weapons and items. The main objective is usually to be the last player or team standing, often within a shrinking play zone. You'll need to master shooting, looting, and quick decision-making. Some games even include vehicles or unique power-ups, adding extra layers of fun to the experience. Practice makes perfect. To truly excel in these Roblox Battle Royale games, here are some top tips. Practice building skills. Quick construction can save you in a firefight. Always seek better loot, like stronger weapons and shields, by exploring the map. In squad modes, communicate effectively with teammates. Don't be afraid to experiment with strategies. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the creative freedom Roblox offers in these exciting, competitive environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.